Dad,
Pag ginusot na niya yung kanyang ginawa,
what is this?
Open mo
What it
na.
says there? Aray ko,
mo na.
yung fit ni Mami.
Open mo na.
akin na. Ipatapat mo sa camera para say Christian love you, mommy and dad.
Ah,
Hello, mommy or dad. Open this. No, may araw pa yan, ha?
move pa, farm.
And then, inopen daw. Wala naman. And Philip.
Ay, wow, cute.
And then, nung inopen yun, 1, 2, 3, tara!
Ah, ang cute naman.
And then, say to mother and father and brother, Happy Valentine's! Love each other! Love yourself!
Aray ko. Ang cute naman. May love yourself pa eh, no?
Oh, alam.
Alagad.
Valentine's sa Pinoy, sa Japan, sa US. Ano itong isa? Canada!